Hello, this is a small video that will try to debunk a myth that you can make up to $575 per day by just watching videos. Is this really possible? If it is, then we should all quit our jobs and start watching videos through this website. And the website is, oh, wait a minute, I need to analyze it more, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Hello, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can earn up to $500 a day just by watching videos. Yes, you heard right. Or is it really true? Let's find out. Some of the websites are saying that you can earn up to $575 per day watching YouTube videos. Well, actually, this is the place where you can do it, so let's check if this is true. First of all, you have to create an account on the timebox.com, which is a site that will award points or dollars for every single little task you make. One of the tasks is watching videos. So when you logged in and when you go to your dashboard, go to the Earn tab here, and then you click on the content, and down here you have videos. So let's see. You can get paid for every free video ads that show before each video, and the payout is $0.011, which is 1 penny or something, which is very slow, but if you watch a lot of videos you can add those out. If you scroll down, you have those different videos that even I found one that pays a bit more, but these are the ones that you can watch for at least 60 seconds. So let's see how this works. You click watch and the video opens. I will mute it. I muted the video so I don't have to listen to it. So let's watch it for 60 seconds. But if you watched and if you paid attention, you can see that 1 penny per 1 minute is a very low amount of money. And you have to watch, sorry man, this annoying guy that is telling about how to make money in a similar way by watching videos. So in my opinion, this is not something you can do very fast. As you can see, I will go to and show you my earnings because I tested this before, and I clicked on my earnings. So I completed 3 tasks and earned a whopping $0.01 and got a $1 bonus, as you can see up here. So my wallet is now $1. I spent about 30 minutes to get to the 1 cent earnings. So it would be very, very time consuming and in my opinion almost impossible to get to $500 a day using this. Don't get me wrong, you can earn some money by doing this. You have other potential channels you can do, like finishing tasks or watching videos or posting to TikTok or offer walls or sending traffic to links or entering sweepstakes. There are also daily bonuses that you can see them on the your dashboard. You have like a daily goal, and then you get like a 5 cents bonus and 20,000 sweepstake entries. Sweepstakes are like a weekly thing that you can maybe earn like 50 cents to $5, so not much. So I think this is not something that people will make a lot of money, but for some countries where $1 is a lot of money can be a benefit as a simple side hustle, and you just watch the videos online and earn small amount of money, but if you watch a lot of videos you could get to, I don't know, 20 or $20, I think, maximum per day. One more way to earn money is to refer people. So you can earn 50% commission of the lifetime earnings of anyone who you refer to Timebox, which makes sense. If you refer like 100 people, then it can, if they are active on the platform, they will make money, and you will make 15% commission, which is also 15% from that 1 cent per video. And even those videos that you saw on the top, where you have to watch free ads. So this took me like 5-6 minutes to watch free ads to actually earn this 1 cent, 0.1, and it's a tedious task, and those videos are not that high quality. You can probably, so if you do all of this on this page, which is like 19 offers, you will get 5 cents, and it will take you, I think, an hour to finish this. So yeah, feel free to try it out, but I would probably spend my time in a much better environment, like affiliate marketing, which is something that I do and I teach on this channel. So please go out and check my other videos and try to see if there is more money with your valuable time to be earned. Okay, that's it. Until next time, please subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this, and I promise to debunk a lot of myths with easy money online. Of course, I will find the proper offers where you can actually earn money by doing some simple things or similar. Okay, thank you. Till next time, bye bye, and stay tuned to honest marketing tips.